everyone. We are now on lesson 19. We have 2 more lessons to go. That's it. These last 2 lessons have to do with bossy R. So we're reviewing our bossy R syllable. This week we're going to be reviewing words that have the bossy R sounds and air, and then a little bit of ear. So air, and ear. Now, the sound is usually spelled, or all these sounds that I just said are usually spelled with IR, UR, or ER. We're going to talk about the AR and OR ones next week, but we're really looking at the UR, ER, and IR. So, I'm going to read our words this week, and you can read them along with me, and you'll hear the different bossy R sounds in these words. We have burger, that has 2 times. We have squirm, Saturday, very, that's that air sound, very, merit, that's another air sound, spirit, that's the ear, spirit, thinner, thirsty, mercury, cherry, 30, surprise, that is such a hard word. We often say surprise, but it's actually surprise, swimmer, skirmish, that means like a battle, mini battle, berry, bury, or berry. Sometimes you can also say, some people say bury, they're a body, or you can say berry. So berry and berry. Ferret, grungier, that means you are like more grungy or dirty or less put together. Luxury, sheriff, disturbed, irrigate. Irrigate means to water or to like put water in something. So if you irrigate a field, it means that you water your crops. Irritate, and irregular. Okay, so this was all on page 107, and you may look at those words again if you want to read them to yourself. Today we're going to do pages 108 and 109, and basically, here's what you're going to do. On page 108, you are going to underline the bossy R combinations in all of these words. So I'm going to show you what I mean. So for the word burger, you would need to underline 2 parts, and just like that. In squirm, it would be the IR. In Saturday, it would be UR. And then very, you have ER here. Merit is ER. Spirit is IR. You get the picture. You're going to do that for all 24 words. When you finish, you're then going to sort these words. And you're going to sort them by how they're spelled and what they sound like. Okay, so this means ER rhyming with her. So that means any word in this list of 24 that's spelled ER and sounds like So for example, one of those would be burger, because the next one is IR rhymes with sir. So but spelled IR. And an example of that would be, of the ones we've done so far, is squirm. You have UR, and that rhymes with fury, Yuri. And that's actually going to be mercury, Yuri. Okay, and then we have ER that rhymes with fairy, so air. IR that rhymes with spear, ear. UR that rhymes with fur, UR that rhymes with Mary, and then AR that rhymes with better. And there's just one of those. So here's what's going to happen. I'm going to tell you some of the words are in multiple columns. Burger is in 2. Mercury is in 2. And irregular is in 2. Okay. And I'm going to tell you how many are in each column. In this first column, you have 5. The next one you have 4. This one you have 1. And this one you have 6. And this one you have 4. And this one you have 5. And this one you have 1. And this one just has 1. You're actually not going to use that, okay? When you are finished with this page, so remember, you're doing page 108, you're underlining the Bossy R words, or Bossy R part of the words, and then you're going to complete page 109 using these 24 words. When you are finished, I would like you to upload page 109 to Seesaw, okay? And I'll look over it for you. Good luck.